I've crocheted this wonky motherfucker. Look at him. He's shaped like a chicken nugget. I've crocheted him a necklace. For he is a spring lamb. He's a lamb of God. He is. But, unfortunately, on my to-do list today is sewing this ear down, because he got a little hole. I can stick my whole finger in his eardrum. I can just wiggle him around like that. That's not cool. So we're gonna fix him. Boop, boop. So, this is what my room's looking like right now. Everything's just sort of out of control. Everything's out of control. So I'm gonna work on this today. Yeah. But look at that. No more pile. I still have that pile and these piles, but this is clean, and that makes me happy. So I am trading chairs, because this one is a giant pain in the ass. Because it's a wheeled, it's super heavy. It's like, oh my god, I can't even, oh jeez. It's super heavy. It's like massive. And, you know, it's wheeled, so, you know, plus it's so big, it doesn't really, you know, that's how it sits. And it makes it difficult to get into the closet, so I'm always having to push it aside, whatever. So I am and it does stuff like that. The wheels catch on things. So I am trading it. If I can look at that behemoth. I'm gonna trade it for this chair right here, which is just, I don't know, general laundry chair. Because I would like to be able to sit at my desk again. Like I can lift this up with one hand. It's still kind of heavy because I am physically weak. This is going to be so much better. If you're meaning to do this, get a different chair. But yeah, look at that. I can now get into the closet and tuck the chair in. And, that still doesn't excuse the mess, but that's fine. That's good. Yeah. I can get into the closet now, which is nice. Alright. So this corner is, I wouldn't say clean, given the state of the floor, or, that stuff, or, the desk, which The desk is a whole project, man. The desk has to be moved out, and I have to get a new desk or a different desk, because this desk too big. It'd be good for, print working, so I'm not having to use all the sawhorses, because there's gaps. There's not a full, continuous, smooth surface, and that's really shitty for drawing and printmaking. So this is basically studio desk, and then I shall get some sort of smaller desk. Of course, contingent upon I get rid of a lot of things that I do not need nor want. A lot of pins, a lot of utensils and glass jars and things I just do not need. And then there's the ottoman, which is behind the chair there, that black thing, which is just full of scrap papers and crap, and that will be gone through at a later date as well. But, I've picked up the crap. Most of the crap. I can get to the closet now, and my pile of clean jackets, which is beside my hamper. And a stuffed animal unicorn that also resides back there. But, yeah. I need to figure out something with my pill box system. Like, I don't really know even if this, whole catch-all plastic box is working out really well, because it looks horrendous, and it's not working well. So I need to figure out some sort of organizational system for my bedside table, or get a bedside table that has shelves, or some sort of miniature shelving unit that goes right there. Would be nice. I guess it's alright for now, for I can just shove my bag under there and stuff, but my laptop's also under there. I think it's under the bed right now, but it just floats under there, and I need something to just stick it in, and keep it in, so it's not just naked. Some kind of protective something, or just spot for it. But, yeah, I need a vacuum, but I don't know where the vacuum is. So, yeah, that concludes today's. That's just a pile of things that have to go to the studio. A plastic container, driving manual, a shiny box with shiny cardboard that I want to cut up for collages or whatever. 2 pieces of wood that I've painted on. Yeah, that concludes the cleanup for today. This is my temporary setup. I am fixing the sheep. Here's my sewing box. It has little dogs on it. But I was trying to mess around with this, my GoPro, that my brother graciously got me for my birthday. I thought this SD card would work. I think it needs a micro SD card, because this is it's about the size of that little window right there. So yeah, not big ass camera SD isn't gonna cut it. But that's fine, that can be ordered. So I'm just sewing up the little ear hole here. floor. Sheep's fat ass threw my threw my sewing box into the floor. And I'll turn that, and then there's little holes where the ears, I don't know if you can see it, but there's little holes where like right here and right here where the ears where the ear came up. So I'm going to sew those up as well. Sheep restoration has been completed. No more hole. I haven't exactly sewed this ear down, so it's probably gonna fall off at some point, but, you know, I'll deal with that when it happens. But yes, wonky sheep complete.